Friends, welcome to this wonderful world of Vedic Maths. In this video, let us solve to multiply 3-digit number. The basic process is same as in 2-digit multiplication which we have seen in the previous video. There is a small change in the process. I will explain step by step. Let's go ahead. Friends, let us move on to multiply 1, 2, 3 into 4, 5, 6 and understand the process. As usual, step 1 is column 1 vertical multiplication. It gives 1 into 4 is equal to 4. Step 2 is column 1 and column 2 crosswise multiplication and addition. It gives 1 into 5 plus 4 into 2 is equal to 13. Step 3 is column 1 and column 3 crosswise multiplication and column 2 vertical multiplication and addition. It gives 1 into 6 plus 4 into 3 plus 2 into 5 is equal to 28. Step 4 is column 2 and column 3 crosswise multiplication and addition. It gives 2 into 6 plus 5 into 3 is equal to 27. And step 5 is column 3 vertical multiplication. It gives 3 into 6 is equal to 18. Finally, as usual, retaining only unit place digit and carrying the remaining digits to previous step and adding, we get 5, 6, 0, 8, 8. Therefore, 1, 2, 3 into 4, 5, 6 is equal to 5, 6, 0, 8, 8, and that is the answer. Friends, note, for 2 by 2 digits multiplication, there were 3 steps. You can remember these 3 steps as 1, 2, 1. But for 3 by 3 digits multiplication, there are 5 steps. You can remember these 5 steps as 1, 2, 3, 2 and 1. Hope the process of 3 by 3 digit multiplication is clear to you. Friends, if you solve number of problems, you will be able to get the answer without the step diagrams within seconds. Hope you will do it. Friends, you already know the detailed process of 3 by 3 digit multiplication. So now I will narrate only your thinking process step by step. Let us now multiply 5, 6, 7 into 8, 9, 8. Step 1 gives 5 into 8 is equal to 40. Step 2 gives 8 into 6 plus 5 into 9 is equal to 93. Step 3 gives 5 into 8 plus 8 into 7 plus 6 into 9 is equal to 150. Step 4 gives 6 into 8 plus 9 into 7 is equal to 111. And step 5 gives 7 into 8 is equal to 56. Now, as usual, retaining only unit place digit and transferring the remaining digits to the previous step values 40, 93, 150, 111 and 56 and adding we get 59,166. Therefore, 567 into 898 is equal to 509,166. That is the answer. Hope you will solve number of problems without drawing the step diagrams and mentally solving within seconds you will get the answer. Try, friends. Friends, now we will solve to multiply 306 into 198. Step 1 gives 3 into 1 is equal to 3. Step 2 gives 3 into 9 plus 1 into 0 is equal to 27. Step 3 gives 3 into 8 plus 1 into 6 plus 0 into 9 is equal to 30. Step 4 gives 0 into 8 plus 9 into 6 is equal to 54. And step 5 gives 6 into 8 is equal to 48. As usual, retaining only unit place digit and carrying the remaining digits to the previous step values and adding, we get 60588. Therefore, 306 into 198 is equal to 60588. That is the answer. Very easy, isn't it, friends? Friends, finally, we shall solve to multiply 909 into 098. Note, we have appended 0 before 98 to make it a 3-digit number. Step 1 gives 9 into 0 is equal to 0. Step 2 gives 9 into 9 plus 0 into 0 is equal to 81. Step 3 gives 9 into 8 plus 0 into 9 plus 0 into 9 is equal to 72. Step 4 gives 0 into 8 plus 9 into 9 is equal to 81. And step 5 gives 9 into 8 is equal to 72. Friends, as usual, retaining only unit place digits and carrying the remaining digits to the previous stage and adding, we get 89082. Therefore, 909 into 98 is equal to 89082. That is the answer. Friends, hope you are confident to multiply 3 by 3 digit numbers mentally without writing step diagrams to get the answer within few seconds. Friends, subscribe for the channel and we shall meet in the next tutorial to learn the multiplication of 4 by 4 digit numbers. Thank you for watching this video.